Hey, Mike here at Hebron Coffee. Today I'm going to be brewing on our V60, the offering we have here from Don Roger and Isabel from their finca Las Mercedes in Nicaragua. It is a super delicious brew. The lot consists of various varieties, mainly the majority being Pach, Geisha, Javanica, and also Garnica. So with this coffee, they process this coffee in a natural way, and it has a lot of sweetness. It has a lot of natural sweetness to it, mainly mango, pear, and as it cools, also some pineapple. So yeah, let's get right into it. The brew method that I'm going to be using is one that Alika Lifty originally used from Onyx Coffee, and I find it really bodes well with this coffee. It is quite a quick brew, brewing at just 2 minutes and 20 seconds. So therefore, we ground it very fine. It's almost, if you get a look at it, it's almost as fine as espresso grounds would be. So yeah, for that reason, we're also going to be brewing it very quickly. And since we brewed it, we ground it so fine, we're going to be able to extract a lot more of that fruitiness that this coffee has to offer. So I really think this is the perfect brew method for this coffee. So let's dive right into it. It's going to be a 4-pour part. We're just going to start off with the bloom right here. 40 grams for the bloom. And we'll give it a nice stir, make sure all of the coffee's incorporated nicely. For the bloom, we're going to go with a really quick bloom, seeing as this coffee has been roasted over a week already, so we don't really need to go ahead and give it a very long blooming phase. So after my 20 seconds, I'm going to go with a straight centric pour and fill it up to 100 grams and just wait another 20 seconds. So it's going to be a 20 second pouring intervals, and each time I'm going to be pouring in another 100 grams, straight centric, and trying to get as much agitation in the brew bed as possible. There we go, coming up on 50 seconds right now. And overall, what I'm already noticing from the aroma, it's super sweet. It's got a lot of that, I would say, sort of mango-like sweetness that's coming off of it. And for the final part, we're going to be pouring a little bit slower in centric motions, starting on the outside and making our way in towards the middle with this coffee to get to about 250 grams. Once we get to our target of 250 grams, I'm going to let it draw down to about 1 minute 30. Give it one final swirl, and after that, just wait for the rest of the drawdown to happen. There we go. And perfect. That'll be the final swirl that we're going to be doing, and now just waiting for the final drawdown. So then, in total, this drawdown will take about 2 minutes and 20 seconds, is what the end result should be. And a little bit about the farm and what Roger and Isabel are doing on their farm. It's actually quite unique. They have a waterfall that's connected, that's right on their farm, and they supply some of the little colonies that are further down the mountain with fresh water. And also that same water is being used to process their coffees. So for their coffees, they've done naturals, so they've done washed, and this one being of the natural variety. Perfect. So we come up to our final brew time. So all that's left to do is just pour your coffee, sit back, and enjoy. Thank you for watching.